Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So you're gonna see here guys, sorry for first of all because I am busy, little bit busy, so that's why I have not making a video. But here you can see here guys, what happened yesterday is that you can see here guys, exactly you have been making here a trend line, exactly here only taking resistance. Also you can see that I have always told you in learning video also, this is the M pattern. After this is low broken, you have to short or you have to call short, or you can go for put buying. You can see that one-sided momentum you have got, and you have obviously got a very huge profit in here guys. Okay guys, from here also you can see here guys, because here pole and flag pattern has been made, and you can see that pole and flag, this is the huge thing because here consolidation happened. So this will act as a major supporting areas. Remember this, always remember this, it will act as a major supporting area. Okay guys, right now this is the thing. Yesterday if you have traded here also, you have got very nice trade, and here is the trend line exactly it has been taken. And also I have told you how trend line works in my learning video. You can go and check out there too guys. Okay guys, we can see for nasdaq also. In nasdaq you can see here guys, what happened is that here only why market has been taken it downside, why it doesn't came up till here. I will tell you the logic is that because of here you can see here what happened is that because this is the swing guys. I will just show you, this is the swing. Okay guys, it make start making a lower low, and here the bigger players enters and their SL will be somewhere here. So you can see that this is the their SL, this is much what this is like up till here only. So what happened, they have taken downside once again. Here buyer is trying, boom, one-sided momentum like this. What happened is that guys, this is the thing you have to see, like a buyer and seller, bigger players, how they have to react. Okay guys, how they have reacted, you can see that exactly from here only taken resistance. Just a second, I will take it. Okay, right now it's perfect. Okay, this is the thing, that's why here only the sellers once again, bigger player has been activated, and they have kept once again their SL at this top. Okay guys, that's why here selling once again came downside. Okay guys, hope you have taken this note and you have traded this area at least. Okay guys, if you have not traded here, it's okay, because I am also not traded in nasdaq here, because this is the very much volatile area. But some of the thing is that I will tell you how you have to trade. Here you can see that exactly what happened is that guys, here only exactly it's taken a exactly a supporting area. It is acting because this is the one of the major supporting areas, because this is the swing. After that only first time it will came, so it will act as supporting area. Here also it came and acting as a support. You don't have to take it at this place guys. Okay guys, at no, you don't have to take at this wick, you have to take at this green candle. Okay guys, your SL will be the at this red candle. I will just remove this so you can get at if you have taken it this green candle, and your SL will be the this red candle half. Okay guys, you can see that one-sided momentum came downside once again to test it, boom, this has been crossed. And if you have bought somewhere here also, you have got very nice trade here, and after that only here the what you have got one-sided momentum. Okay guys, so hope you can getting all the logic behind it guys. Okay guys, we can see the next is spx. Okay guys, spx500, you can see here guys, exactly trend line is supporting area. You can see that exactly supporting area, it is acting act as a resistance, came downside once again, because this is the pending area, and this will act as a major supporting area because here buyer are activated. So this will act as one of the major supporting areas. After that, acting as supporting area, goes upside, exactly taken once again here on the support. You can see that how nicely it's taking a support. Okay guys, taken support, goes upside momentum. Okay guys, I will just show you what happened is that exactly from here only the market has been reversible. Why is that? I will show you. Just because of I have told you logic in Dow Jones also, the reason is that because here the seller will came, because of here only they have seen. So what they have do is that they keep their SL at this position. Okay guys, their SL, you can imagine their SL is very much smaller than what we think. Okay guys, they are entered at this position also. Okay, this red candle also, their SL is very minimal. Okay guys, slightly up only they can take, not exactly that much, 25, 0.25. Okay guys, their SL is $10. Okay guys, and their risk to reward, just consider up till here also, their risk to reward is 1 is to 3, or more than 1 is to 3 only guys. Okay guys, if they have considered up till here also bigger player, then they have got 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4.1 or something like that they have got. So you can think about like this bigger player, how they can manipulate, how they can trade, not they can manipulate, they can trade, how they can make a position, and how they have implement their knowledge like this. Okay guys, so this is the all what we have to see. Okay guys, I will show you the some of the stocks also in Tesla also. What happened is that this has been one-sided momentum has been came. So I will just show you. So I have told you here only the trend line is making, after that it will gives us bigger momentum, after that only bigger momentum came and consolidate one-sided momentum, because we know that obviously that huge index is going on the upside momentum. So you can see that here also pole and flag made a, after that consolidating, exactly here only consolidating and taking support right now. So you can see here just a second guys, this is the trend line is making on, so we can discuss in this too guys. And Amazon I have told you, and dedicated video also made it. So you can see that in Amazon it's almost 4,000 or something, there is 4,000 plus or something there, stock price will be there. But what happened is that they have splitted their shares, and splitted their shares, and that converted to 134. Now it will be the liquidate stock, because it has so much smaller amount money, because in compared to 2000 to 3000, that's why they have splitted their stock. That's the good thing what I am thinking. Okay guys, so you can see here, so we can see the Microsoft also. In Microsoft also what we have discussed, exactly this will act as support. You can check out also, I have not done any editing, and exactly here only resistance will act. We have in previously only we have discussed, I have not done any editing, because we know that this is the one of the major resistance area, it will act exactly resistance area acted and came downside. So like this in Apple also you can see, watch here what we have discussed here. I have not made an, sorry guys. So this is the price action, you can see that broken, this is broken, you have to take it futures, or you have taken an option, very huge profit within 1 to 2 days, because of this gap. This gap has to be filled. So we can hope you like this video guys. If you have any queries or any doubt, please comment me down, and please like this video. If you need more videos, I will post it every day video, and you can check out the analysis and our learning videos also there. You can got so much things guys, you can check out there too guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.